Right. So dear students, so today we discuss exercise 3.3. So this is complete depending on transpose of a matrix and their properties. So what is the transpose of a matrix? So interchanging rows and columns of a given matrix, we obtain transpose of a matrix. It is denoted by A dash. So what are the properties? A plus B whole dash is equal to A dash plus B dash. A minus B whole dash is equal to A dash minus B dash. A dash whole dash is equal to A. AB whole dash is equal to B dash into A dash. So you properties either mige. So exercise using these properties and definition of a matrix, definition of a transpose of a matrix. So we can solve exercise 3.3. So first item, page number 88, question number 1. So first item, find the transpose of a matrix, transpose of the following matrices. Here question number 1 is 5 1 by 2 minus 1. Here what is the transpose? So that is transpose of this matrix. So that is 5 1 by 2 minus 1. Transpose is denoted by A power T or A dash. Okay, na? So A dash is equal to, so how to obtain transpose of a matrix? Interchanging rows and columns. So we have only one column that convert into row. So we get the transpose of a matrix. That is 5. Here first column becomes first row. That is 5 1 by 2 minus 1. Your order of the given matrix is so 3 by 1, and order of transpose of a matrix is reverse agtadadu. That is 1 into 3. 1 row, 3 columns. Right. Question number 2. 1 minus 1 2 3. So solution transpose 1 minus 1 2 3. Transpose means dash. So transpose of this matrix is obtained by interchanging rows and columns. That means first row becomes first column, second row becomes second column. So this is the transpose of a given matrix. So we can find similarly, so if any matrix is given, we can transpose interchanging rows and columns. Interchanging rows and columns, we get the transpose of a matrix. So similarly we can find the third. So next, see the second item. The second item is question number 2. If A is equal to minus 1 2 3, next 5 7 9, next minus 2 1 1, and B is given minus 4 1 minus 5, next 1 2 0 1 3 1. Verify that first question, A plus B whole dash is equal to A dash plus B dash. Property verification ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. And second question is A minus B whole dash is equal to A dash minus B dash. So ಈ two properties ನಾವು prove ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So first find A plus B. Next A dash B dash. Here first A dash is equal to what? First A plus B find out madam. Here A plus B is, here what is matrix A? So direct agi ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. Here what is A plus B? A plus B is obtained by adding the corresponding elements of matrix A and matrix B. So here minus 1 minus 4, that is minus 5. 2 plus 1 3, 3 minus 5, that is minus 2. So 5 plus 1 6, 7 plus 2 9, 9 plus 0 is 9. So minus 2 plus 1, that is minus 1. 1 plus 3 4, 1 plus 1 is 2. This is A plus B. So this implies A plus B whole dash is equal to, so this is A plus B. So how to obtain A plus B whole dash? Interchange. Right. A plus B is equal to, this is the matrix. So A plus B whole dash is obtained by interchanging rows and columns. So A plus B whole dash is equal to, so interchanging rows and columns. So first row becomes first column minus 5, 3, minus 2. Second row becomes second column 6, 9, 9. Third row becomes third column. So minus 1, 4, 2. So this is LHS value. So this is equation 1. So LHS and RHS is A dash plus B dash. Here what is A dash? A dash is equal to interchanging rows and columns of matrix A. That is minus 1, 2, 3. Direct ಆಗಿ ತಗೋಬಹುದು ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ. So A dash plus RHS is A dash plus B dash. Here what is A dash? A dash is obtained by interchanging rows and columns of matrix A. So interchanging rows and columns of matrix A, we get A dash. A dash is equal to, here minus 1, 2, 3. First row, that is becomes minus 1, 2, 3. First column. Second row becomes second column. So 5, 7, 9. Third row becomes third column. Minus 2, 1, 1. Plus, what is B dash? Here B is equal to this matrix. Interchange rows and columns. We get the B dash. Here B dash is, here first row, minus 1, 1, minus 5. That becomes first column. Second row becomes second column. 1, 2, 0. Third row becomes third column. 1, 3, 0. So that is adding the corresponding elements. Minus 1 plus minus 4. That is minus 5. Minus 5. So plus 2 plus 1. That is 6. So minus 2 plus 1. That is minus 1. 2 plus 1. 3. 7 plus 2. 9. 1 plus 3. 4. 3 plus minus 5. That is minus 2. So 9 plus 0. 9. So 1 plus 1, 3. So B dash minus 5, 0. This is 1. This is 1. So 1 plus 1 is 2. So that is equation 2. So from 1 and 2, here A plus B whole dash value and A dash plus B dash value. So these two are same. So therefore from 1 and 2, so from 1 and 2, so we get A plus B whole dash is equal to A dash plus B dash. Similarly, we can find A minus B whole dash is equal to A dash minus B dash. So first find A minus B, next A minus B whole dash, next A dash, minus A dash minus B dash. So these two becomes equal. So therefore from 1 and 2, again we get A minus B whole dash is equal to A dash minus B dash. Second part of new matter. Pass. Right. If third question, question number 3, here given A dash is given. So that is A dash is equal to 3, 4, minus 1, 2, 0, 1. And B is minus 1, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3. Verify that A plus B whole dash is equal to A dash plus B dash and A minus B whole dash is equal to A plus B whole dash. A plus B whole dash is equal to A dash plus B dash, and second one is A minus B whole dash is equal to A dash minus B dash. Silly. Second problem, third problem different ಏನಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಎ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಬಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಎ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ, ಬಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ. ಸೊ ನೀವೇನು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಫಸ್ಟು, your matrix A dash is given 3, 4, minus 1, 2. So this implies A is equal to A dash whole dash. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪೋಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ A ಬರ್ತದೆ. A dash whole dash is equal to matrix A. So interchange rows and columns, we get the matrix A. So first row becomes first column, second row becomes second column. So 3, 4, minus 1, 2, 0, 1. So second row becomes second column, third row becomes third column. So this is matrix A. So this is A dash. Next, B is given. B is minus 1, 2, 1. So 1, 2, 3. Implies B dash is equal to minus 1, 2, 1. First row becomes first column, second row is second column. So first find A dash, A, B and B dash. Here A dash is given, we can find A value. B is given, we can find B dash. So again question number 2 type, first find A plus B, next A dash plus B dash. So LHS is equal to RHS. This prove madre sakashtu neevu. So first find A plus B. A plus B is equal to, so matrix A, matrix B. So matrix A first element is 3, matrix B first element is minus 1. 3 minus 1 is 2. Next minus 1 plus 2, that is plus 1. 0 plus 1 is 1. So 4 plus 1, 5. So 2 plus 2, 4. 1 plus 3, 4. So this implies A plus B whole dash. A plus B whole dash is equal to, interchanging rows and columns. So you get 2, 1, 1. First row becomes first column, second row becomes 5, 4, 4. So this is A plus B whole dash, say that is equation 1. Next A dash plus B dash. A dash plus B dash is equal to, so A dash is equal to 3, 4, minus 1, 2, 0, 1 and B dash is equal to minus 1, 1, 2, 2, 1, 3. Adding the corresponding elements, 3 minus 1, 2, 4 plus 1, 5, minus 1 plus 2, that is plus 1, 2 plus 2, 4, 0 plus 1, 1, so 1 plus 3, that is also 4. So this is A dash plus B dash. So this is equation 2. So from 1 and 2, so we get A plus B whole dash. Here A plus B whole dash value, A dash plus B dash value same. So therefore A plus B whole dash is equal to A dash plus B dash. Similarly we can find A minus B whole dash is equal to A dash minus B dash. So A minus B, first find A minus B, next A minus B whole dash, next find A dash minus B dash. We get the same answer. From 1 and 2 we get A minus B whole dash is equal to A dash minus B dash. Right. Question number 4 also same type. A dash is equal to minus 2, 3, 1, 2 and B is equal to minus 1, 0, 1, 2. Then find A plus 2B whole dash. So matrix A dash kottara, first A find out madri. Next B matrix kottara, multiply every element of matrix B by 2, we get 2B. So next A plus 2B, first find A plus 2B, adukku transpose madidre A plus 2B whole dash bartada. Neevu try madabodu, easy question. Question number 5, first question, second question. So very important. So this is also asked previous question papers in 5 marks question. So for the matrices A and B, verify that AB whole dash is equal to B dash into A dash. Fifth question, first item. Here A is given 1, minus 4, 3 and B is given minus 1, 2, 1. Here verify AB whole dash. AB whole dash is equal to B dash into A dash. So this is the question. So first find A dash value, B dash value, next A into B, adukku transpose. So first solution, here given A is equal to this one and B is equal to second matrix. Here what is A dash? A dash is interchange rows and columns. Here first column becomes first row, that is 1, minus 4, 3. So this is A dash and B dash is here first row becomes first column, minus 1, 2, 1. So this is B dash. So next find AB, matrix AB, product of two matrices. AB is equal to, here what is matrix A? What is matrix A? 1, minus 4, 3. What is the order? 3 by 1 into what is matrix B? Minus 1, 2, minus 1, 2, 1. What is the order? 1 row, 3 columns. 1 row, 3 columns. So clearly, so number of columns of first matrix is equal to number of rows of second matrix. Therefore, the matrix multiplication is defined and its order is 3 by 3 matrix. 3 by 3 matrix. So your matrix multiplication is defined and its order is order of AB. Order of resultant matrix is 3 by 3 matrix. Here 3 by 3 matrix eno. So A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A33, A31, A32, A33. So 3 by 3 matrix perfect. Your first element is A11. A11 means, so that is A11. A11 means sum of the product of first row with first column. So this is the first column, second column, third column. So the first row, second row, third row. Sum A11 is obtained by sum of the product of first row with first column of second matrix. So that is first row 1, first column element in second matrix is -1. 1 into -1 is -1. Next, second element A12 is that is A12 is the sum of the product of first row with the second column, that is first row with the second column. 1 into 2 is 2. Next, 1 into 1 is 1. Second row, -4 into -1 is +4. So -4 into 2 is -8. -4 into 1 is -4. Third row, 3 into -1 is -3. 3 into 2 is 6. 3 into 1 is 3. Still important. So ಈ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಸೊ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಆಸ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ರೋಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್. ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಇಸ್ ಡಿಫೈನ್ಡ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಈಸ್, ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಇಂದ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕು. ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ಡ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಈಸ್ 3/3. So clearly the order of this matrix, this is the resultant matrix, order of this resultant matrix is 3/3. So this is the AB value. Next, what is AB whole dash? LHS value. AB whole dash, that means transpose of a matrix AB. So interchanging rows and columns of this matrix AB. So we get AB whole dash. So what is AB whole dash? Interchange. First row becomes first column. Second row 4 - 8 -4. Third row becomes third column. So -3 6 3. So this is AB whole dash. Say that is equation 1 LHS. Next, B dash into A dash. Here B dash into A dash. Here what is B dash? What is B dash? -1 2 1 into what is matrix A dash? 1 -4 3. The order of first matrix is 3/1 and order of second matrix is 1/3. Again matrix multiplication is exist and order of resultant matrix is again 3/3. So that is first row with first column. -1 into 1 is -1. -1 into -4 is +4. Next, -1 into 3 is -3. Second row, 2 into 1 is 2. 2 into -4 is -8. So 2 into 3 is 6. So 1 into 1 is 1. 1 into -4 is -4. So 1 into 3 is 3. So clearly, so this is equation 2. So 1 and 2 are same or not? These two are same or not? So therefore from 1 and 2, so we get AB whole dash is equal to B dash into A dash. In 5 marks question ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ just A dash B dash find out ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು 2 marks. AB whole dash LHS value. So LHS value 2 marks. So total 2 plus 2 4. So conclusion. So 1. So A dash B dash 1 mark. So LHS 2 marks. So RHS 2 marks. So total 5 marks ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ. Simple 5 steps ಇಲ್ಲ. So easy ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. Next, question number 6. Question number 6. If A is equal to, question number 6, first item, you're given matrix A is cos alpha sin alpha minus sin alpha cos alpha. Verify that A dash into A is equal to identity matrix. So this is the proof. You verify, that means prove that A dash into A is equal to identity matrix anta prove ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನೀವು ಅಷ್ಟೇ. You are given A is matrix A, that is A dash is equal to what? So A dash is equal to interchange rows and columns, that is first row becomes first column. So cos alpha sin alpha. Second row becomes second column, that is minus sin alpha cos alpha. So this is A dash. So we have to find A dash into A. Here what is A dash? Now A dash into A is equal to, here what is A dash? Cos alpha minus sin alpha cos alpha into A is cos alpha sin alpha minus sin alpha cos alpha. Again matrix multiplication, that is cos alpha into cos alpha, cos square alpha, minus into minus plus sin square alpha. Next cos alpha into sin alpha, minus into plus minus sin alpha into cos alpha or cos alpha into sin alpha. Next sin alpha into cos alpha, plus into minus is minus sin alpha into cos alpha. Next sin alpha into sin alpha, sin square alpha plus cos square alpha. So this is cos square alpha plus sin square alpha is 1. So this is 0. These two get cancelled. So these two also get cancelled, 0. So the sin square alpha plus cos square alpha is 1. So this is the identity matrix. So this is RHS. Here LHS is A dash into A. Here clearly LHS is equal to RHS. That is A dash into A is equal to identity matrix of order 2. So this is the first bit. Second bit you try ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. Here A is given sin alpha cos alpha minus cos alpha sin alpha and verify that A dash into A is equal to I same type matrix adu. Question number 7. Question number 7. Show that the matrix A is 1 minus 1 5 minus 1 2 1 5 1 3 is a symmetric matrix. Is a skew symmetric matrix. Second question. Here the seventh first bit is here given matrix is, so given matrix A is 1 minus 1 5 minus 1 2 1 5 1 3. So is a symmetric matrix anta prove ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So what is the definition of symmetric matrix? A square matrix A is said to be symmetric if A dash is equal to A. What is the skew symmetric matrix? A dash is equal to minus A. The matrix is said to be skew symmetric. Here prove that the given matrix A is symmetric. So by definition, here to prove A dash is equal to A anta prove ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನಾವು ಅಷ್ಟೇ. Now take A dash is equal to interchanging rows and columns. So we get the transpose of a matrix. Here first row becomes first column 1 minus 1 5. Second row becomes second column minus 1 2 1. Third row becomes third column. So 5 1 3. Observe these two. Here 1 minus 1 5, 1 minus 1 5, minus 1 2 1, minus 1 2 1, 5 1 3. So clearly this is same as A. Here clearly A dash is equal to A. So therefore A is symmetric matrix. Suppose show that this matrix is another matrix. Show that the given matrix A is skew symmetric anta prove ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು. So here A dash is equal to minus A anta prove ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು. That is the question number 2. Here matrix A is given. Question number 2. Show that this matrix is 0 1 minus 1 0 1 minus 1 0 minus 1 0 1 and 1 minus 1 0. Show that this matrix is skew symmetric anta kelidare. So what is the definition of skew symmetric matrix? If A dash is equal to minus A, the matrix A is said to be skew symmetric matrix. So first find A dash. Here A dash is obtained by interchanging rows and columns. So here first row becomes first column, second row becomes second column, third row becomes third column. Here take minus outside. Here 0, minus 1 becomes plus 1, plus 1 becomes minus 1. So plus 1 becomes minus 1, 0, plus 1, plus 1, minus 1, 0. If we take minus common, so elements, signs of elements are changes. So that is minus. So clear this is same as the given matrix A. So therefore that is minus of this is A. So clearly A dash is equal to minus A. Therefore the A is said to be, therefore matrix A is skew symmetric. So this is the seventh question. Question number 8. Right. Question number 8. For the matrix A is equal to 1 5 6 7, verify that A plus A dash is a symmetric matrix, A minus A dash is a skew symmetric matrix. Question number 9. Half into A plus A dash and half into A minus A dash when A is given matrix anta ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ. So ಈ 8th 9th 10th questions almost same type questions. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ 10th ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನೀವು 8th 9th ನೀವು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 10, ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ದ ಫಾಲೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಸಸ್ ಆಸ್ ದ ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಸಿಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಸ್ಕ್ಯೂ ಸಿಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್. ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 10 ತಗೊಂತೀವಿ. ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 10, express the following matrix as the sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. Question number 1, 10th first question. Let the given matrix is A is 3 5 1 minus 1. So this is the given matrix. Express this matrix A as sum of symmetric and skew symmetric. If A is any matrix, any square matrix or any matrix, half into A plus A dash is the symmetric matrix and half into A minus A dash is skew symmetric matrix. Sum of these two is equal to A. So this is the proof. Idi prove ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನೀವು. So half into A plus A dash is the symmetric part of matrix A, half into A minus A dash is the skew symmetric part of matrix A. Here express this matrix A as sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. That is the question. So first find half into A plus A dash. Here A is given 3 5 1 minus 1. So this implies A dash is equal to, A dash is obtained by interchanging rows and columns. So that is 3 5 1 minus 1. This is A dash. Next, let P is half into A plus A dash. So symmetric part of matrix A is half into A plus A dash. Skew symmetric part of matrix A is half into A minus A dash. Here symmetric part, take that one is P, and skew symmetric part, take that one as Q. So P is equal to half into A plus A dash. That is half into what is matrix A? A plus A dash. So matrix A is 3 5 1 minus 1 plus A dash is 3 1 5 minus 1. So that is half into, so sum of these two matrices, 3 plus 3 6, 5 plus 1 6, 1 plus 5 6, minus 1 minus 1, that is minus 2. So multiply every element of this matrix by half, that is 3 3 3 minus 1. So this is half into A plus A dash. So next prove that this P is symmetric or not. So here half into A plus A dash is P. Here P is a symmetric or not. What is the definition of a symmetric matrix? Here P dash is equal to P. Then the matrix P, that is half into A plus A dash, is symmetric. Now what is P dash? Here P dash is obtained by interchanging rows and columns. Here first row becomes first column, second row becomes second column. So this is same as P. Here P dash is equal to P. So therefore here A plus half into A plus A dash is symmetric matrix. Next, let Q is half into A minus A dash. That is half into, what is matrix A? 3 5 1 minus 1 minus, what is A dash? 3 1 5 minus 1. So that is half into 3 minus 3 0, 5 minus 1 4, 1 minus 5, that is minus 4. So minus 1 minus half minus plus 1, the value is 0. So multiply every element of this matrix by half, that is 0, 4 by 2 is 2, minus 2 0. So this is Q value. Here Q is skew symmetric or not. Here Q dash is equal to interchange rows and columns. Here first row becomes first column, second row becomes second column. So minus 2 0. If you take minus outside, 0 2 minus 2 0. So this is minus of, this is exactly 0 2 minus 2 0 is same as Q. So that is minus Q. So Q dash is equal to minus Q. So therefore half into A minus A dash is skew symmetric. So clearly half into A plus A dash is symmetric and half into A minus A dash is skew symmetric. Next, here to prove half into A plus P plus Q value is P plus Q, and that means what? Here P value is half into A plus A dash plus Q value is half into A minus A dash. Sum of these two values is equal to matrix A ಅಂತ prove ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಈಗ ನಾವು. Now take P plus Q. P plus Q, that is half into A plus A dash plus half into A minus A dash. Here half into A plus A dash is P. Here P value is 3, 3, 3 minus 1 plus half into A minus A dash is Q value. So that is 0, 0, 2, minus 2, 0. So this is half into A minus A dash value. Here sum of these two is equal to, here 3 plus 0 is 3, 3 plus 2 5, 3 minus 2 plus 1, minus 1 plus 0 is minus 1. Here sum of these two, P plus Q, that means symmetric part and skew symmetric part. Sum of symmetric and skew symmetric value is 3, 5, 1, minus 1. So this is exactly same as given matrix A, 3, 5, 1, minus 1. So these two are same. So this is A. So therefore, every square matrix A can be expressed as sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrices. So therefore, every square matrix, therefore matrix A can be expressed as the sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrices. So this is the proof, 5 marks question. So very important exam point of view. So sorry, 3 marks question. So let the matrix, one matrix is 2 by 2 or 3 by 3 matrix is given. So prove that matrix can be expressed as the sum of symmetric and skew symmetric. Procedure same. So first find the A dash. Next P value is half into A plus A dash. Show that P is symmetric. Next Q is half into A minus A dash. Show that Q is skew symmetric matrix. Next prove that P plus Q value is same the given matrix A. So this is the proof. So very important in 3 marks questions. So thank you very much.